Hi everyone, welcome to the third episode of CKES channel. At CKES, we provide solutions and quality products for your agricultural needs. In this episode, I'll introduce you to the frame of the greenhouse, and they are the rail channel and wiggle lock, occasionally known as the rail and spring. The rail channel and wiggle lock is one of the most basic parts you need for the greenhouse, as they lock the plastic film, sunshade, and insect mesh in place where it is needed. The rail and spring is an easy and cost-saving way for attaching your greenhouse, extending and covering the greenhouse in a secured way. The wave pattern in the aluminum rail that CKES supplies help to reduce trap heat at a faster rate. The rail channel has a standard length of 2 meters, 4 meters, and 6 meters with a thickness of 0.8 millimeters. The rail and spring helps to ensure that your greenhouse can weather the elements and last for years. Unlike other attachment methods, rail channel and wiggle lock will hold up to high winds and harsh environment. The wiggle lock or spring is made of galvanized steel coated with HDPE so that it can be used for a longer time. The HDPE coated spring prevents tears during and after installation. It is easy to install as there are no sharp ends. It also saves costs as it can be reused by easily removing and reinstalling it. And the standard length of the spring is 2 meters. The rails we supply are made according to product specification and obtain Thai Industrial Standard Institution accreditation. As I have mentioned earlier, the standard lengths are 2, 4, and 6 meters with a thickness of 0.8 millimeters, and we supply both galvanized steel and aluminum rails. Feel like wanting to know the price right now? The price of 2 meters galvanized rail with spring lock is 75 bahts per set, and the price of 2 meters aluminum rail with spring lock is 85 baht per set. If you are interested in our products, get in touch with us with ways available printed above and also below. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please click like and subscribe. See you again in our next episode. Bye-bye.